Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can keep Microsoft Teams status green all the time. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Microsoft Teams, and here you can see the red dot with your profile picture. So you simply need to come here and click on your profile picture, and here you can see busy. You simply need to click here, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on available, and now you can see a green sign with that, and now it is available. So now you can see that it is always green. So this is the easy process by which you can keep Microsoft Teams green all the time. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.